Welcome, a warm welcome to all of you, ladies and gentlemen, to Vridivage Finance. So, Vridivage Finance has basically into the market since more than 5 years now. I think we have completed more than 5 years. Other than that, if you see this market downfall as of now is going into the current state. I mean, this is a fair bending and financial year end is upcoming. So as per that, Prithvish Finance do analysis over here. There is a lot of changes will happen within this week or within this month itself in till the March end of the March. So frankly speaking, whatever there will be the market correction according to Prithvish Finance. Do you agree with us? Then let me know into the comments. So here both the indices of Nasdaq 100 and Nasdaq Composite Index we are predicting for this week, which will be valid from the 23rd of Feb 2026 till the 28th of the Feb 2026 hopefully. You can check out our previous video for predictions. Whatever we have predicted might be sub to certain limit has become so true. I am not so sure. So currently we are also posting our patterns about the cryptocurrency which will be available on our Twitter account. Yes, we are not writing on the Quora. So Quora is the dead one as of now. So Quora is a dead one, but Twitter will be the active one and YouTube will be the active one. You can always check on our and subscribe on us on a Twitter for further info on Crypto Blush. Crypto Blush is the another channel for Vridivage Finance because it's a cryptocurrency and we have launched a year later after Vridivage Finance analysis. So Crypto Blush is the part of Vridivage Finance and that's the reason. Yeah, means like time consuming stuff, so that's the reason we are not making any sort of video for a cryptocurrency. And cryptocurrency is working, I think, Monday to Sunday. so there is no holiday for cryptocurrencies market fall, or that is unpredictable. I mean, we don't find what exactly how it really work. I mean, it will be worth for you if you will stay invested for a long term, 10 years, 20 years down the line. Crypto is people calling it a scam. But if you see the technologies is moving fastest way across the different countries, there will be the more number of cryptocurrency will may launch into the market. It's like a boom, big boomer will be available in 10 to 20 years down the line. I mean, you will see the cryptocurrencies in a large amount 20 years later because AI industry has literally going to impact the market. And when AI industry going to impact the market, there will be lot of cryptocurrency will launch into the market over the shares. Because the so-called fintech is the part of cryptocurrencies. If you go and check, financial technologies is not only initially people used to have a check clearance within number of days. Now they are doing wire transfer, not wire transfer, but they are doing a transfer immediately within the seconds by tracing some transparency. Well, we will not go with the algo, we will not go with the SQL, we will not go with anything. So here is we go with the Prithvish Finance pure analysis about the chart. So right now if you go and check out our previous video, so let me know in the last week whatever we have predicted. So the predictions for Nasdaq Composite Index cover Nasdaq 100, which is valid from the 16th of Feb 2026 till 21st of the Feb 2026. Guys, we have, I think, last video is uploaded at the end of the Jan. So in case we missed since last 15 days, then we are sorry. The composite index minimum lower end around 22,000 and 10 points where stability showed 22,850 points. Maximum it can goes up to 23,100 points. Here the volatility given by us is around 1000 point Nasdaq 100, which can goes minimum 24,100 points below, and the stability show 24,850. And suppose it will goes higher, so it will touch up to 25,100. Probably market may expected little bit correction, or we can say market will fall down, or I can say market will crash it up. Do you believe in the positive manners? Then let me know what is your thought about the market crash in this month. So all about the decision maker, policy, politicians, etc. Dear audience, the last week market has closed. Nasdaq Composite Index closed around 22,886.07, and the market Nasdaq 100 has closed around 25,012.62. Okay, and if we see that the predictions for Nasdaq Composite Index Common Nasdaq 100, which will be valid from 23rd Feb 2026 till 28th Feb 2026. So guys, Composite Index minimum lower end it can goes up to 21,710. It can show some sort of stability around 22,150. Maximum it can goes up to 23,200 points. So Nasdaq 100, which can downfall around 23,900. It can show some sort of stability around 24,350, and suppose it goes up, it can touch up to 25,600 points. So it's all about the pure chart analysis which we have predicted into the market. Hopefully this week our predictions will become a true, I guess so. Thank you by Vridhivesh Finance. I'm super thankful to all of you who's watching our YouTube channel. Probably Nasdaq indices nobody watch it. I mean within a within a month hardly 14 people are watching our YouTube channel. Nasdaq analysis over here. So for all of your entertainment, I see that the people who is into data science is basically tracing our hot equity series, I guess so. So hot equity, we have launched number of our hot equity under the section. There is all tech companies videos has been uploaded by Monday or by Tuesday, I guess so. By Tuesday we have launched on Vridhivesh Finance and on the Twitter itself. Other than that, we have, oh my god, it's a midnight at 1 a.m. So that's the reason I think I'm feeling sleepy, because in India this is the time to sleep. So that's anyways guys, it's all about our series of hot equity, and in that hot equity we basically really giving the details of hot equity. Okay, and yes, absolutely, we have recommended this this week is nothing but Honda. This week we have given Microsoft, Nvidia, Shopify, Toyota, Tesla, Mercado Libre, Apple stock, and then IBM International, at Tesla, Oracle, AMD, Amazon, Broadcom, Intel. This all analysis we have delivered to the market. So don't forget to watch our YouTube channel, review on a hot equity. Okay, and all the predictions of the stock prices will be applicable till June 2026 ending.